Humans are born, then humans die. Not only humans, every living creature dies someday. Every religion explains that we die someday. Death is inevitable, right? Or isn't it? According to science, can we make a man live forever? Can we fight death? Can we defeat the law of uncertainty? Let's find out. Subscribe and press on the bell icon because we help you educate on science for your own life. So let's begin.
Science Orzo.
Science Orzo.
Science Orzo.
Science Orzo.
Science Orzo.
If you are human, then you are going to die. That's for sure. This is not something good to hear for you, but death is a must for everyone. Humans are, however, getting better at pushing back our expiration date as our medicines and technologies advance. Actually, humans are living a longer life than before due to increased medical facilities. Now, if the human lifespan continues to stretch, we could one day be immortal, right? The answer depends on what you think it means to be an immortal person. Now, although you become immortal, the universe will one day end, right? One day the universe will collapse and everything will disappear. Here's the magic. Every animal die, except one. Well, what's that? Hydra. Tiny aquatic animals called hydra can regrow lost heads, and scientists now have a clear idea of what they do and how it happens. In lab experiments, hydras have demonstrated that they can renew their own cells indefinitely, which means that these animals are biologically immortal. They never die. They duplicate their cells every day until something happens to them. What the heck was that? Actually, hydras have a simple body and less complex tissues, but humans are very complex. It's insane to do it with humans. Humans have stem cells that can repair and even regrow parts of the body. Yeah, not only hydra, even humans have such kind of stem cells. Humans have stem cells that can repair and even regrow parts of the body, such as in the liver. Now, if we cut 1/4 of the liver, it will regrow. But the human body is not made almost entirely of these cells, like hydra are. That's because humans need cells to do other things than just divide and make new cells. For example, our red blood cells transport oxygen around the body. They are not meant to be divided. We make cells to commit a function in our body, and in doing that, they have to lose the ability to divide. As the cells age, so do we. Now imagine your brain cells are going to divide. Your memory will get lost, because there will be completely new neurons replacing the older ones. Now, like hydra, we cannot do it. It's biologically impossible to duplicate each and every cell of our body, unless this happens. As technology advances, futurists anticipate two defining milestones. The first is the singularity, in which we will design artificial intelligence AI, smart enough to redesign itself, and will get progressively smarter until it is vastly superior to our own intelligence. The second milestone is virtual immortality, where we will be able to scan our brains and transfer ourselves into a non-biological medium like a computer. That means you can upload your consciousness into a computer. Yeah, that can happen. Researchers have already mapped the neural connections of a roundworm as part of the so-called Open Worm project. They then simulated the roundworm's brain in the software replicating the neural connections and programmed that software to direct a Lego robot. According to Smithsonian magazine, the robot then appeared to start behaving like a roundworm. So, scientists were able to transfer the consciousness of a roundworm into a computer. But can we do it for humans? The answer is currently no. Scientists aren't even close to mapping the connections between 86 billion neurons in the human brain. But roundworms have only 302 neurons. That's an easy task. But advances in artificial intelligence may help us get there. Now, if we manage to swap our consciousness from a machine to machine hoping to live forever, it's just useless. The real value of life comes when you have a limit to it. Knowing that one day you will leave this world make you feel valued. And also, as I said before, hydra is biologically immortal, but they also die due to certain predators and environmental changes. So, law of uncertainty is still intact. How much you try to be immortal one day, all this universe will die, giving birth to a new one. So do good every day, help others, you won't take money when you die. You take only the good and bad things after death. So make yourself comfortable and lead a prosperous life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and hit on the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. See you guys soon in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.